Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. I'm back with 10 plus internship and job updates. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for more updates related to jobs and internships. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important updates. So let's start the video. First hiring is from Grofos. It's hiring for SD1 security. Location is Gurugram and the requirements are: first and foremost, you must have a passion for cybersecurity. Freshers are welcome to apply. If you are an application engineer and interested in moving to security, you are still welcome to apply. Good to have experience with configuration management tools such as Ansible, Puppet, Ceph, or Salt. So these are the requirements. Second update is from Crio.Do, hiring for software developer backend, and these are the requirements. You must have projects on in your GitHub profile, three solid projects, solid debugging skills, knowledge of data structure, algorithm, and so on. B.Tech degree. So go and apply. Third update is from Netgear, hiring for intern engineering role. It's 4 to 5 month internship. So if you're a college student, then go and try your luck. Fourth update is from Mercedes Benz, hiring for software integration engineer. These are the tasks and the requirements: master's or bachelor's degree in electronics, computer science engineering, 0 to 1 years of experience in embedded software development. So freshers to experienced candidate can apply. Fifth update is from IBM. IBM is hiring for associate system engineer, and these are the requirements. After filling this registration form, you have to fill one more form. I will provide that in the description, so don't forget to fill the next form. Okay, and the next update is from SAP, hiring for associate solution support engineer, and the rules and requirements are experience in support software development, IT or quality assurance, writing basic Java queries, and so on. Qualification B, ME, M.Tech, MCA from recognized institution, and so on. Next update is from Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for Analyst trainee role. This is for freshers, 22 batch pass out, bachelor's degree, master's degree, ME, M.Tech, or MCA degree can apply. Next update from Siemens, hiring for software developer. Location is Bangalore, and these are the requirements: B.Tech, MCA, ME, M.Tech, MSc Computer Science, 0 to 1 years in software development. So freshers to experienced candidate can apply. Next update is from Texla Culture, hiring for React Native front-end developer intern. Location is remote, so college student can apply, and stipend will be 10,000, 3 months long internships. Next update is from Urban Match, hiring for full stack Flutter developer intern. This is the stipend, experience 0 to 1 year, and these should be the experience. You should have data structure, Python design on Flutter. It's a remote, so you can try your luck. Amazon is hiring for software development engineer. These are the basic qualifications and preferred qualifications: bachelor's or master's in computer science. Graduation year is not mentioned, so I guess freshers to experienced candidate can try their luck. Next update is from Qualcomm. Qualcomm is hiring for engineer. Location is Hyderabad, and minimum qualification must have bachelor's degree in engineering, information system, computer science, or related field. Preferred qualifications: 1+ experience in programming language such as C, C++, Java, Python, and so on. And the last update, it's over. So all the links will be in the description. Go and apply. And if you have any doubt, then comment on the video. Also follow our LinkedIn page for more job updates. I post regularly. and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.